Growing. Also the potential for some strong storms this afternoon. That potential does exist. We've issued an early warning weather alert for today due to the fact that we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon through this evening. It's going to be moving from northwest to southeast, so everybody needs to keep their eyes to the skies, and when they look threatening, head indoors. In the meantime, our Channel 3 early warning radar scanning the state dry. We do have some reduced visibility out there. Not horrendous, but nonetheless, we do want to bring this to your attention. 3 miles of visibility in Chester, 4 miles in Willimantic, 4 miles in Waterbury. And I am even getting some reports of some poor visibility in the Rocky Hill area where I was driving through this morning. There was some fog as well, so just be careful. Not a great map to look at. This is the severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma has placed Connecticut in the slight risk category. This is level 2. So yesterday there were no levels. The day before we were at level 1. Today we're at level 2, and the potential for some strong storms does exist this afternoon here in Connecticut. Strong gusty winds, some strong cloud-to-ground lightning, some very heavy rainfall. Not going to be a great afternoon into the early evening, okay? So let's take a look at the headlines. It's humid, it's mild, it's partly cloudy out there this morning. Storms are expected later today. Some of those storms could be strong to severe. Listen to me, folks. Later this afternoon, some of the storms could be strong to severe, so make sure you have a safe haven to get to in the event some of these storms roll through. I've added the thunderstorm icon to the ride home. Depending on when the kids get out of school, the later they leave, especially if they're taking the late bus, they might be running into some showers and some thunderstorms. 82 to 85 is the expected high during the day today, so it's going to be a warm and sticky day today with high humidity. Temperatures out there this morning, 71 degrees in New Haven. Typical overnight low is about 58. That's about 13 degrees above average. 60 though in Meriden, a little bit cooler there, and then we've got 60 for you in Salisbury, 64 at Bradley, 65 at Brainerd. So the numbers are kind of all over the place this morning. Dew points are basically in the upper 50s for Meriden, but everybody else is in the low to mid 60s, and that means it's sticky, icky out there. 68-degree dew point in New Haven, and the winds are out of the south. Now later tonight, once these storms make an exit, the winds are going to go out of the north and west. That's going to be providing us with some much drier and cooler air. Tomorrow is going to be a much cooler day. ICAMs across Connecticut, we're starting to see a little bit of that sun coming up, although it is foggy there at Bradley. You can see the fog reducing visibility also in New London as well. A little bit of fog at the distance there. Regional radar, not a lot going on right now, but as you take a look over my shoulder, you'll see this frontal boundary, and this frontal boundary means business. Here it is. It's going to be moving on into the state a little bit later on this afternoon through tonight, and that is going to touch off showers and thunderstorms. Again, nothing to do with Dorian. Dorian is way to the south of us. You can see it right there, just off the coast of Cape Canaveral. I just disappeared. Hey, what happened?
Do that again. Can you do that again?
Hey, can I come back? Hey.
Now, wait a minute. Abracadabra.
What the heck is going on?
It was just a one-time thing.
That's incredible. Well, the people in the control room are not digging me this morning, that's for sure. Again, this frontal boundary has nothing to do with Dorian, and we are taking a look at early warning futurecast tomorrow's weather today. The cold front is going to be barreling into the state. This is 4 p.m., 5, 4:35. Nasty. Ooh, this isn't pretty. This is not pretty. 5:45. Really strong storms. This is 6:30. This is 7 o'clock, and then tonight we clear things out, and tomorrow's a much better day. All right, I've really disappeared now because I've walked away from the maps. Temperatures today will climb into the low to mid 80s. It's going to be a warm and humid day today. And then your 7-day forecast includes storms this afternoon and this evening, some of which could be packing a punch. Severe weather is expected in the state this afternoon and early this evening. Tomorrow, a gorgeous day, just in time for the Channel 3 Kids Camp Golf Tournament. Woohoo! 74 on Friday, increasing clouds with rain arriving Friday night through Saturday morning. That's the remnants thereof of Dorian scooting by. Saturday afternoon, it should be partly to mostly sunny. It's going to take a little while Saturday to get that clearing to take place, but it'll still be breezy. But Saturday afternoon looks beautiful. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday also looking really good with cooler than average temperatures in the low to mid 70s.